week later, and this is definitely good. Pumpkin number 5 is good. Today being October 4th, probably about 3 more weeks before it gets too unbearable. That one don't look too good. Well, there's another one here. It's been here about 50 days, so I'm getting this today too. This is like an albino pumpkin. It's not supposed to be this color. These last 2 did not work. Pollination did not work. This is my first time planting sage, and I guess they're not cold tolerant. These are already dying. The overnight temperatures have been in the low 50s, high 40s. Too cold. October 25th, and there's still tomatoes growing. Probably 2 weeks away from the first frost. The kale will survive frost. Kale is good. These peppers won't survive the frost, so I have to get them soon. Definitely not Scotch bonnet, but this one is. Go on the other side. This is what the real Scotch bonnet looks like. This plant only had 1 pepper. I'm going to have to use this one for seeds. I got some cayenne over here. These plants are really small for some reason. They're supposed to be much bigger. This is what the pumpkin looks like after about 3.5 weeks. So it's definitely the last one for the season. So about 2 weeks left before first frost.